Todd Grant, I'm from Wichita, Kansas.
Your make and model?
It's a 1999 Honda Civic. It's an EM1, it's the SI. It changed hands a few times over the years, and the car just went downhill. I actually bought it about 1.5 years ago and saved it. I painted the car, revamped the interior, revamped the engine bay, put the wheels on it, just basically done everything to the car to bring it to the place that it is today. It was very beat up prior to this. This is a full new paint job. The engine bay's been painted, little trinkets on the motor, the intake box there, the intake arm I actually had welded at a shop in town. It's a lot of titanium goodies from chasing days. But yeah, it's been a fun build over the last 1.5 years.
Well, hey, why Hondas? Why are you into these old Hondas?
This is just kind of where I started, and it's where I'm at right now.
Once a Honda guy, always a Honda guy, right?
Exactly.
All right, thanks for coming out.
Oh, for sure, always.
We'll be right back.